Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thank you. Today we will talk about the details for BB Glow treatment. BB Glow is a semi-permanent makeup treatment that aims to improve the appearance of the skin by giving it a more even tone, a radiant glow, and a smoother texture. The treatment involves the use of a microneedling device that is used to infuse a special serum into the skin. The serum contains natural and safe pigments, vitamins, and other nourishing ingredients that help to improve the skin's overall health and appearance. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the BB Glow treatment. 1. Skin analysis. Before the treatment begins, a skin analysis is conducted to determine the skin type and condition of the client. 2. Cleansing. The skin is thoroughly cleansed to remove any makeup, dirt, or oil that may be present. 3. Exfoliation. An exfoliating agent is applied to the skin to remove dead skin cells and prepare the skin for the treatment. 4. Numbing cream. A numbing cream is applied to the skin to minimize any discomfort during the treatment. 5. BB Glow serum. The BB Glow serum is applied to the skin using a microneedling device. The device is moved in a back and forth motion over the skin, allowing the serum to penetrate deeply into the skin's layers. 6. Finishing. Once the treatment is complete, a soothing serum and sunscreen are applied to the skin to protect it from the sun and help it heal. The benefits of BB Glow include 1. Improved skin texture and tone. 2. Reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Reduced redness and inflammation. 4. Brighter, more radiant skin. 5. Reduced appearance of pores. 6. More even skin tone. 7. Reduced appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It is important to note that BB Glow is a semi-permanent makeup treatment, which means that the results are not permanent and will fade over time. The treatment typically lasts between 3 to 6 months, depending on the individual's skin type and condition. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.